Hi mga kalavish! This is our 3 days 2 nights DIY itinerary in Singapore. We departed in Manila at 8:40 p.m. and arrived in Singapore at 12:35 a.m. And then, hotel check-in at Hotel 81. So this is our day 1 Merlion Park, Helix Bridge, Louis Vuitton Island Mansion, Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, Super Tree Grove, and then Spectra Light Show. For day 2, we spent our whole day at Universal Studios para masulit ng maigi ang entrance fee. So yan, Transformer, ang pinaka-favorite kong rides dito. Talagang feeling mo kasama ka sa gera ng mga robot. So yan, mga kaanyong, ilang beses ko nga pala siyang inulit. Siyempre, favorite ko. And of course, yung Revenge of the Mummy. Super sulit talaga ng Revenge of the Mummy na rides, mga kalavish. So yan, ito yung mga sinakyan naming ibang rides. And then feeling, kala mo nagda-drive talaga. So this is the start of day 3. Fort Canning Park. And of course, ang sikat na Jewel Changi Airport. And then, Rain Vortex Waterfall. Haji Lane. And that's our itinerary for 3 days 2 nights in Singapore. Up next will be our Kuala Lumpur itinerary.